Hi everybody, my name is Amanda Haynes. I am a realtor at Preferred Real Estate Brokers. I'm here today in Winter Park, Florida in a gated community. There's some landscaping going on outside, so we'll start in the home today. It is a 6-bedroom home. It has 4 baths, 3-car garage, 2 stories, and it even has a pool. So let's go have a look. Okay, so we come in the door. We have this nice living area. And then you have a good-sized dining room. Go into the kitchen. They've made this a little coffee station here. Your pantry area. And the kitchen opens up to the family room. Very spacious open area to have friends and family over. You have your family room over here. And then your stairway. So let's go outside and have a look at the covered lanai. It's a little noisy outside. They are working on building homes. But check this out. The model's even got a pool. In Florida, we need pools to cool us down, that's for sure. So this home is a little over 4,200 square foot. You have your bedroom. And of course, your closet. And your bathroom. The double vanity. And a door to go outside to the pool. And your toilet. And I like the cabinets. There's lots and lots of cabinets. They actually go all the way up to the ceiling. Beautiful flooring. So we come into another bedroom here with a walk-in closet. And your spacious game room upstairs. There's a bathroom up here that everyone can use. And check this out, they made it a movie theater. So they have their TV and the floor elevates so they can all sit in here and watch a movie. Nice gathering area. This could be a wet bar, little beverage station. And of course, some storage. I'll save the master bedroom for last. So we have a room in here. I always like to show the closet. So that's important. Bathroom. It's a full-size bathroom. And another bedroom here. So across the way, you have a laundry area. And the master bedroom. With your vanities that are separate. And over here, nice garden tub. And then another sink over here. Frameless glass shower. And your toilet. And this enormous closet. My name is Amanda, 407-616-6271. Bye.